The men who have succeeded are efficient few. They are the few who have the ambition and willpower to develop themselves. Talent does what it can, genius does what it must. Who dares to teach must never cease to learn. Live and let live is the rule of common justice. The art of life is to know how to enjoy a little and to endure much. Failure will never overtake me if my determination to succeed is strong enough. All birds find shelter during the rain, but eagle avoids rain by flying above the clouds. If you judge people, you have no time to love them. I measure the progress of community by the degree of progress which women have achieved. If you believe in living a respectable life, you believe in self-help, which is the best help. The world is the greatest gymnasium where we come to make ourselves strong. Life should be great rather than long. You have to grow from the inside out. None can teach you, none can make you spiritual. There is no other teacher but your own soul. To lose patience is to lose the battle. Do not be embarrassed by your failure. Learn from them and start again. Success is simple. Do what's right, the right way, at the right time. Victory is sweetest when you have known defeat. Action is the foundational key to all success. The successful man is the one who finds out what is the matter with his business before his competitors do. Life is not about finding yourself. Life is about creating yourself. Patience, persistence, and perspiration make an unbeatable combination for success. We become what we think about most of the time, and that's the strangest secret. Success is focusing the full power of all you are on what you have a burning desire to achieve. Before anything else, preparation is the key to success. To accomplish great things, we must not only act, but also dream. Not only plan, but also believe. Good things come to people who wait, but better things come to those who go out to get them. Push yourself, because no one else is going to do it for you.